Welcome to the best cordless electric screwdrivers of the year. These compact design marvels are perfect for your home, car, or workshop. Crafted with precision and powered for convenience, each screwdriver in our top 5 selection stands out. Explore innovation and versatility as we delve into the world of these powerful tools. From assembly to repairs, these screwdrivers redefine efficiency. Join us on this journey through the most impactful choices, tailored to meet your every need. The Works Semi-Automatic Power Screwdriver. Packed with cutting-edge features and designed to make your projects a breeze, this cordless screwdriver is a must-have for every toolbox. 6-bit switches with a slide action changer, giving you unparalleled control and efficiency. No more fumbling around for the right bit. It comes equipped with a unique screw holder, ensuring that no screw gets left behind. Whether you're working on projects at home, in the garage, fixing up your car, or crafting in the workshop, the Works cordless screwdriver is your reliable companion. The powerful and long-lasting 4V Max lithium battery ensures that you can power through your tasks without missing a beat. The Works Power Screwdriver is here to enhance your craftsmanship. Elevate your projects with the perfect blend of power, convenience, and innovation. Stalwart Electric Screwdriver Set. A perfect blend of innovation and efficiency. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual screwing and say welcome to the cordless freedom of the Stalwart Cordless Screwdriver Set. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable soft grip handle, allowing you to tackle projects with ease. Illuminate your workspace effortlessly with the built-in LED light, providing clarity even in dimly lit areas. Whether you're working in a tight corner or a spacious room, to ensure long-lasting battery life, the intelligent battery saving system lowers the RPM to as low as 180 when met with no or little load. The automatic spindle lock is a testament to safety, securely holding the drill bit in place for a worry-free operation. The storage case and 25-piece screwdriver and drill bits ensures safety, easy moving, and essentials for every need. Dive into the world of versatility with a variety of PZ bits, hex bits, and Torx bits. Tackle any task confidently, knowing you have the right tools at your fingertips. Invest in quality. Invest in efficiency. The Stalwart Electric Screwdriver Set is a must-have for every DIY enthusiast. The Black & Decker 4V Max Cordless Screwdriver. 3-position handle. Crafted with your comfort in mind, this cordless screwdriver boasts a comfort grip handle that pivots seamlessly into 3 different positions. Whether you're tackling overhead projects or working in tight spaces, this innovative design ensures optimal maneuverability and control. One of the standout features of this tool is its built-in LED light. Illuminate your workspace with precision and clarity, even in dimly lit areas. Lightweight and compact design. Weighing in at just 1.1 pounds. This cordless screwdriver is a true featherweight champion. Its compact size allows you to navigate through intricate tasks with ease. The 4V Max battery. A reliable source of energy that ensures consistent performance. The rechargeable batteries provide the convenience of long-lasting power, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. The Black & Decker 3-position handle, LED light, lightweight and compact build, and 4V battery, combine to create a tool that aligns seamlessly with your crafting needs. Nico 10577, a cordless power screwdriver. The Nico cordless screwdriver brings convenience to your fingertips, offering a seamless blend of cutting-edge features that make it a must-have in every toolbox. The Auto Lock Safety Chuck, ensuring your projects are not only efficient but safe. The Auto Lock Safety Chuck guarantees a secure grip on various screw sizes. The USB rechargeable batteries adds a level of versatility that sets the Nico 10577A apart. With simple USB recharging system, this cordless screwdriver is always ready for action. Whether you're working on a quick fix or a more extensive project, the convenience of a rechargeable battery ensures uninterrupted workflow. One of the standout features of the Nico 10577A is its compact and pocket-sized design. This sleek and portable screwdriver effortlessly fits into your pocket, making it the perfect companion for on-the-go tasks. DeWalt 8 volts max cordless power screwdriver. The lightweight design, weighing in at just 2 pounds, makes it a companion that won't weigh you down. Equipped with motion-activated variable speed ranging from 0 to 430 revolutions per minute, it ensures unparalleled precision. The gyroscopic inline cordless electric screwdriver technology takes your control to the next level, allowing for intuitive movements and enhanced accuracy. The innovative gyroscopic technology responds to your wrist movements, giving you unparalleled control over the speed and direction of the screwdriver. The 8-volt max battery pack ensures a reliable power source, providing the stamina needed for extended use without sacrificing performance. The cordless design, combined with the gyroscopic inline technology, delivers a seamless and efficient experience, setting a new standard in the world of power screwdrivers.